Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Android Ready. Samsung launched its second folding phone, the Galaxy Z Flip, on 11th February. But what of the update of Samsung's first folding phone, the Galaxy V Fold? Rumors have started appearing more and more regularly about an update to Galaxy Fold, which we think might be called either the Galaxy Z Fold or the Galaxy 2 Fold. It's also been referred to as Project Champ and the Winner too, so there are plenty of monikers in play. Rumors have started appearing more and more regularly about an update to the Galaxy Fold, which we think might be called either the Galaxy Z Fold 2 or the Galaxy Fold 2. It's also been referred to as Project Champ and Winner too, so there are plenty of monikers in the play. The Galaxy Fold was originally unveiled at the Mobile World Congress 2019, but the Fold 2 is expected to appear now at the Samsung S20 family, and the Z Flip have been launched with the Q2 being suggested. There is nothing even near concrete here, but we've seen a July date suggested by some commenters. There's currently no telling what the price will be, but with the Galaxy Z Flip coming in the $1,380, the Galaxy Fold is likely to be stick with the premium pricing closer to $2,000. Although recent rumors have suggested it could be dropped by around $100. We are expecting Samsung to stick to the book-style vertical fold like the original Galaxy Fold. Given the larger design of the phone come tablet, there would be perhaps be space to be integrate the S Pen set to be included on this new version. Rumors from the Max Win batch suggested that there will be a stainless steel and the ceramic version. We are assuming that there will be regular aluminum and glass version too, just to keep the price under control. It's set to come in blue, silver, gold, pink and black colors, with the suggestion that the awkward notch of the Galaxy original Fold might be replaced with an in-display camera. The design could be cleaner than the current version. Early reports suggested that the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 might come with an 8-inch display. Since then, we have seen mention of a 7.7-inch display, both bigger than the original 7.2-inch. The 7.7-inch display has been mentioned several times along with the Infinity V name. With 120 refresh rate on the Galaxy S20 series, it makes sense for the display to be 120 refresh hertz too. When Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Flip, one of the interesting points was that Samsung has used what is called ultra thin glass to protect the display. This is still flexible but should be more resistant to damage the plastic. Although it appears that it's still covered with the plastic layer on the top, it makes perfect sense for this to appear on the Galaxy Fold 2. There have been little talk of the external display, one of the negative of the original Fold. The suggestion of a 6.4-inch display that the exterior will be welcome, adding to the usability of the phone when it's closed. On the hardware front, there have been no leaks. We expected to use flagship grade hardware, perhaps Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, and they keep this as a 5G phone. We had expected a 12GB RAM and a 512GB storage as per the 2019 model. The original Fold has a lot of cameras, but it's clear that the Samsung need to reduce the front notch camera and display. There has been the suggestion that Samsung could use an under-display camera on the Fold 2, failing that a punch-hole camera like to the S20 family. A reliable leaker has suggested that the Samsung Fold 2 will have the same rear camera setup as the Galaxy S20 Plus. That would be a 12-megapixel main camera, 64-megapixel 30x zoom camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, along with a depth vision sensor. In fact, we have recently had the reiterated again by the Ross Young Twitter suggestion that wait this to be a rumor. Given that the Galaxy Fold act as a smartphone and a tablet, the inclusion of S Pen would actually be a pretty awesome feature to have. But whether or not this is rumor plans to be remain to be seen.